get a discount. You get a discount. You get a discount. We all get discount. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here, I know another start to a video without makeup. I hear you guys. Okay, you guys like this? So I hear you and I'm like, I actually don't mind starting a video without makeup on. You know, it's fine. Totally fine. It's fine. So today's video is special because you get a discount and you get a discount. No, really, I am gonna show you guys some of my favorite Colourpop products and you guys get 20% off. Including my Perception palette, my highlighters. My whole Colourpop collection is 20% off. I know. I feel like it's time for everyone to kind of re-up on the collection. So this is like a perfect time to offer you guys a 20% off. And Colourpop is already so affordable, so this is just like the icing on the cake. So in this video, I'm gonna do a blue smoky eye. I get so many requests to use 14, which is this blue right here, and I haven't filmed with it yet, so we're gonna do that. I also get a lot of requests for September, but you guys, I filmed with that one. I filmed with it already. Did you see the video? Did you see the video? So we're gonna do like a blue smoky eye. It's almost fall. I can't even believe it's almost fall, but it is almost fall, which means we're gonna bring out the smoky season 10 eyes. So all the products that I'm using and all of my favorites, all of my Colourpop favorites will be listed below along with the link so that you guys can get you a little discount. Okay. Oh. I actually love this because with all the new makeup coming out, it just gets expensive. You know what I mean? And like we can ball on a budget over here and I'm all about giving the discounts, you feel me? So without further ado, let's just jump into this tutorial. All right, I'm gonna start with the Colourpop Mattifying Primer. So 90% of the products I'm using are Colourpop, just to let y'all know. About 95, maybe 96. All right, so this is the No Filter Foundation in color 175. And I'm using the Colourpop F15 brush. We're just gonna apply this all over the skin. Ooh, no filter is right. Ooh. I know, look at my headband. There's like makeup all over. I'm just like not about to clean it every time I do my makeup. You know what I mean? Like ain't nobody got time for all that. And this brush is synthetic haired. I love using synthetic haired brushes for foundation because they don't absorb the product. All right, we're gonna snatch the face with the No Filter Concealer. I love this. I actually did a video on snatching the nose using these concealers, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that today. I basically start with, what color is this? This is number 40. Sometimes I'll do like 36, but you want a concealer that's like maybe 2 shades lighter than your foundation. And I kind of go ham. I'll put a little bit here, maybe a little bit, just a little bit here. A little bit. Always bring your concealer to the side of your nose here. You see it right there? Bring it all the way in. It kind of makes this area of your nose flatter so it snatches the face. If you want to snatch the nose, you know, if you're not trying to snatch that nose, then don't bring in the concealer. But if you're trying to snatch the nose, season 10, then bring the concealer all the way in. I feel like I should have like wet my sponge a little bit. It's a little dry. That's okay though. That's okay. All right, now I'm gonna go in with number 54 concealer, and I'm just gonna use this to contour on the nose here, on the cheek. And you can like draw little lines down or just draw one line. You kind of just have to do like what's comfortable for you. And I'm gonna use the F80 brush. I'm gonna blend this right in. This is like a stiffer brush, so you can also use like the foundation brush I use. But if you like a smaller brush, use this one. So I'm using kind of like the edge of the brush to bring the contour and blend it down. This is a bigger brush, so just keep that in mind. Not everyone's comfortable using like a larger brush. Okay, that side came out good. This side, I don't think I put enough product on there. Put a little bit more. Boom, there it is. So I'm just kind of blending the contour into the brows and down the nose. And then I'm gonna go over the top so it doesn't look like, okay, you have two lines on your nose. So it's almost like you draw the lines on and then blend them in a little bit. Okay, so here's the trick. I'm gonna go in with the lighter concealer. This is like 4 shades, 5 shades lighter, 6. And I'm just gonna put it just like a couple little dots right by the nose. And then using my sponge, we go snatch this nose. So with the lighter color, I'm just gonna bring the concealer up the side of the nose. I don't like to use this all over because it's like a little too light, but if you just put it like on the sides, it really snatches your life and your edges. All right, I'm gonna set my entire face with the banana powder. This is like a yellow undertone setting powder, and it's bomb. I usually just like work off of the lid. So tap off the excess on the lid and kind of blot it, apply it on. Super lightweight translucent powder that you can also bake with. And it comes in, I think, like 2 other colors, a few other shades. So if you don't like it to be this yellow, or if you like it to be darker, they do have other colors. Oh, no, snatched. I'm gonna bronze my skin with the Rodeo bronzer, and I'll probably use this as a blush just because my eyes are gonna be kind of dramatic and I just want that like contoured look. So I'll add a little bit more later on. Don't forget the jawline, y'all. All right, I don't know if you guys noticed, but my hair is a little darker. So I'm gonna use Played Out, this one right here. I'm gonna use this in my brows with the angled brush. And my hair is like, it's not black, it's like kind of like a dark brown with caramel. So this color is just gonna be perfect. Bet y'all didn't know you could use eyeshadow in your brows, did you? Well, I'm sure most of you guys did. That's like basically what brow powder is. It's like eyeshadow. Let's be honest. I can't decide if I like this dark hair or if I like my blonde hair. Because I got sick of that blonde hair real quick, okay? Like I woke up one morning and I was like, no, we're not doing this anymore. Nope, let's look through the arsenal. The blonde wig has to take a seat, okay? Go sit on the bench. Okay, so this is number 40 concealer, and I'm using this as a base, which you guys know I love to do. Also, it kind of cleans up your brows too. Well, not right now, but when I blend it in, it'll clean it up. I'm just using this flat Colourpop brush. So you just like use the edge of the brush and clean up the brows. Especially if you like them kind of more on the defined side like I do. All right, you guys ready for this? So there are 3 palettes. I was about to go like this. 3 palettes you guys can get a discount on. Okay, my Perception palette, which is bomb.com. The Mar palette. Ooh, this, I love this palette. Let me show you guys. Like, I think everybody loves this palette. It is booming, okay? And the Soul palette, yes. I mean, I'm just gonna say this. I think these 3 palettes are like Colourpop's best palettes. I'm just saying. I'm not gonna use all 3 palettes in this tutorial, but I think what I'm gonna do is, are we gonna use this? Are we gonna do it? Okay, I'm gonna use this one and this one, okay, from the Mar palette. Just because I think I always use Culture and Played Out from my palette. I use it all the time, so I feel like you guys have seen it. So we're just gonna go with this. Anytime I do like a bright color, well, not every time I do a bright color on the lid, but I do like to use neutral browns in the crease when I'm doing like blues, greens, or, you know, anything super bright. Unless I want it to be like hella colorful, but this one, I just want the lid to pop. So we're gonna keep the crease kind of neutral. I love this palette. Like, this is a pretty palette, okay? Next, I'm gonna apply top down, just right on top of it in the crease. So we're just building the crease from light to dark. All right, we're switching to the Perception palette. I'm gonna apply, I know I broke my mirror. I'm so clumsy. I'm gonna apply Stallion in the crease, but I'm really gonna focus it kind of like on the outside of the crease. And I'm just kind of like pressing it on. Press, 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 press. I like to press to prevent fallout, you know, because when you wipe it, That's when it like lands all up in here. We don't want that to happen. So after you press kind of the pigment on, then you can go back and blend it. Some of you guys experience fallout like no matter what. So you can always do your foundation after. I always apply my foundation first, unless it's like a black smoky eye, but for the most part, I like to apply foundation first. All right, now I'm gonna go in with number 14, which is this really pretty blue. And we're just gonna apply this all over the lid. She has pigment. Just because I wanna be a little adventurous, I'm gonna put a little bit of gridlock, this one right here, just with my finger, because why not? No rules here. I'm just gonna put this on the center of the lid. Yep, that just kind of did it, didn't it? Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Compared to this side. I mean, this is cute too, you know. That's a cute color too, but mixed together is like gorgeous, wow. All right, I'm gonna line my waterline with the Colourpop black pencil liner. I always like to line the waterline and under the lashes. Kind of just like black out this whole area here. Trying my best not to make a face. I can't get over how my lid looks right now. All right, I'm gonna smudge Stallion, so the darkest color from my palette, under my lash line. It's almost as if I'm kind of like pressing the shadow on, like over the liner and then smudging it. You always want to be like extra careful with these darker colors. I'm just gonna throw on some mascara and lashes to kind of finish off the eyeshadow look. You know, just casually just throw them on real quick. I believe it's almost September, like July just flew by. I feel like June was a long month. Was May a long month? I don't know, but time is just going a little too quick for me right now. You know what I'm saying? It's a little too quick. Not ready for it to be cold. All right, I'm gonna highlight my skin with both Pose and Boom and Highlight from my collection. I still get excited when I talk about it. I like love these highlighters so much. So I usually do Pose first, like I'm doing right now. And then I'll put like Boom in right on top. Look at that. Pose is more of like a coppery shade. So I especially like this when I have a little bit of a tan. I feel like it makes my tan just pop more. Like, look at this, so cute, look at that. And Boomin' is a little bit more of a golden undertone. You can also mix them together on the cap if you wanted. You do that too. I just layer them, but you can mix them. There's no rules, you guys. So this is Boomin'. You can see Boomin' just like brightens it. I remember how I told you guys I was gonna use my bronzer as a blush. So I'm just gonna go in and add just a little bit more bronzer just to create more of like a contoured effect. I always like to put a little bit of bronzer after I highlight because I feel like it just like blends this area. Because you don't want like a stripe. You want it to look nice and like blended like that. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to finish off this look with, you guys already know, BFF3 liner. And this is also 20% off. Everything. Like literally all of my favorites are 20% off. I'm here for it. So there's other shades, you guys. There's a BFF2, which is a little bit lighter. But they're like nudes, you know what I mean? Let me get my little mirror here. And then we're gonna do Quickie lipstick. If you already have a ton of Quickie lipsticks, there's other lipsticks listed below that I like. This is just like a good nude. Show you guys how it's done up in here. Okay, so you blot like this to blend. So I'm blending. And then you go over, oh, I did a good job blending it, but you go over with lip liner. And you could use the same one or you could go a little bit darker. But the key with a nude lip or any, I guess, any light lip is to kind of blend it by blotting together. I love this lid color. Ooh! Oh my gosh, who would have thought? So Gridlock and 14 mixed together on the lid is just heaven, okay? Can't believe we're almost done. I feel like I just started. All right, so I'm gonna finish off the lips with Neat Freak Gloss, which is like just a really pretty topper, you know? You can put it on top of any color. It has flecks of like rose gold and silver just to make it super shiny. I love it. All right, so here's the finished look. Ooh, I love it. Do I say that after every video or not? I think I do. I don't know, but I do. I'm like, I do love this look. I hear you guys. You guys have been asking me to do more looks with my Perception palette. So here it is. I listen, okay? Suggestions are always welcome. I love it. So yeah, those are all of my favorite Colourpop products. And you guys get a discount on all of them, okay? 20% off. Again, I will have a link below with my discount code and just all of the products that you get 20% off of. The sale starts today and it ends in a week. So you have a week to get your life together, to snatch your edges, to find your wig. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy the 20% off. I'm excited about it. I want you to be excited about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below if you want to see more looks with my palette or whatever you're feeling. Let's talk in the comments. And last but not least, shred and slay. Did y'all notice my hair or no? Wait, crap, I don't know which one. All right, now I'm gonna go in with number 52. Yes. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? Are we snatched yet? Yes, no filter. All three palettes. Oh, that actually did a good job. Blue. Ooh. Ooh, hello. Test 1, 2, test 1, 2, check. Maybe 97. Check. So cute. Ooh, look at that. They say I'm crazy, but I really don't care.